How much does an estate plan cost? Hi, I'm attorney Paul DeLaurie, and that's a question we get asked quite a bit. Well, I will say that we charge about average for an estate planning law firm in Maricopa County. We're not the cheapest, and we're definitely not the most expensive. So you can figure that a typical estate plan will run somewhere between $1,000 and $5,000. You might be tempted to do this all yourself, but that's a risky choice. So let me tell you a story. It's the story of Charles Kuralt, the CBS News correspondent and anchor. Several weeks before he died in 1997, he wrote a note to Patricia Elizabeth Shannon, his mistress for 29 years, promising to leave her 90 acres and a renovated schoolhouse near the Montana fishing retreat where they spent time together. Now, after Kuralt's death, his family and Shannon spent 6 years in court fighting over whether this note was a valid amendment to his 1994 will. It was a will that a lawyer had prepared. Well, without ruling on the issue, a Montana court awarded Shannon the $600,000 property, but stuck Kuralt's family with all of the estate taxes. So who knows if that was what he intended. Many people focus on price because they don't know what else to ask. But you're smart. You know that price is not the only consideration. I bet when you bought your car, you didn't buy the absolute cheapest one. Or if you go to a restaurant, you don't ask what the cheapest thing on the menu is. So what if you came to my restaurant and asked that? Maybe I tell you that we're having a special today. All the liver and onions that you can eat for $5. Will you get that special just because it's the cheapest? Or will you think about other considerations? There are many things that can go wrong if you try to cut corners with your estate plan, from the wording of the document to required formalities for how it has to be signed and witnessed before it can be valid. Trying to prepare your own documents is definitely not good. It's like trying to pull your own tooth with a pair of pliers instead of going to the dentist. Now, if you're ready to have your estate plan prepared the right way, give us a call. We're here to help.